Hi, my name is Frank Burt Mills. I'm the Executive Chef for APW, Baker's Pride, and Star Holdings. Many restaurants, bars, and pubs have been closed due to the rules and regulations of the pandemic. Today we're going to show you how simply you can meet those requirements to reopen and serve basic foods using the Star Panini sandwich grill. We're going to do the vegetarian sandwich, panini sandwich. It's a wonderful bread. We've cut it in half, and again, the bread is the star on this, and now we'll build the sandwich. Okay, this sandwich consists of mushrooms, red onions, tomato, summer squash, zucchini, cheddar, green pepper, red onions, and olives and coleslaw, and a very nice Italian sweet pepper, and a glaze of balsamic. And the bread will be dressed with a very interesting product. It's a basil cream that you can buy in the supermarket. Now this can be done in a number of ways, but I'm heating a pan and I'm going to lightly fry the vegetables in the pan. It can be done previous to making the sandwich, or you can do it here. And here's the pan that I preheated. I'm going to put a little olive oil on it, just a little bit. And now we'll take the vegetables and go on top. And the order is not important. You can hear a little sizzle. Those are the mushrooms. Put a little red onion. Take the summer squash. The zucchini. And what we're going to do is we're just sweating this off a little bit. And the green pepper. There we go. And a mix of olives. Now we'll close the top on this, and we'll give this about 2 minutes just to soften a little bit and get ready to go for a sandwich. Now, to prepare the bread for the sandwich, we're going to put a little bit of tube basil on both sides, and then we're going to spread it around. And this is wonderful stuff that is very flavorful. Get it in the supermarket, and it does a nice job in flavoring everything. And we just rub it around just a little bit. It will fade through the flavors. And we're going to actually add the cheese first on the bottom. And I'm using 2 types of cheddar. I want a nice flavor, and vegetables sometimes are a little light on flavor. So we're at the bottom with the shredded cheese. And now the vegetables turn soft, which is what I wanted, but they still have an al dente crisp. So we're going to take some of the veggies and we're going to drop them right on the sandwich. A large spatula is always the best way to go with this. And cover it one side to the other. Perfect, just like that. So you've got the veggies in. It's a combination of all the veggies and olives. Okay, we've got that now. So, nextly, I'm going to take a little slaw right over the center. And remember, less is more. The flavors will stand out. I'm putting a little bit of green onion on here. And a couple of interesting twists. These are sautéed Italian peppers sold in the jar in the supermarket, and they add a wonderful flavor. They're red and green peppers. So we'll put those on there, and now we'll finish with some additional cheese. And the cheese acts as the glue for the sandwich. And we'll top it. And we're ready to go to the panini. Now we'll put it in the panini. The panini's run at about 400 degrees. And what we want to do is we want to hit it with a little olive oil again to get a nice crispness and no sticking. So we'll brush a little olive oil on the platens just to make sure everything is well lubricated. And now we're going to put the sandwich in. And you'll hear that sizzle. We're going to drop the top, and there we go. We have about 4 minutes to go. and that sandwich will be beautiful. This has been just a little over 3 minutes, and we're ready. Remove this sandwich now. When we remove it, if there's any pieces, just take them to the catch tray on the front so that they don't burn and carbonize on. Okay? Very simple. One thing we're going to add to this is a little balsamic glaze. So we'll open the sandwich and you can see the cheese is nicely melted. There's a balsamic glaze in. And we'll cut this on the bias also, nice and crisp. And there's a beautiful veggie sandwich.